Welcome to Valorant. Your crosshair is your key to aiming accurately. Let's unlock its potential with crosshair codes. First up, what is a crosshair code? It's a series of numbers that define your crosshair's style, color, and size. Each number corresponds to different settings. For example, codes can adjust your crosshair opacity and thickness. Let's open the settings menu. Navigate to the crosshair section where you can input or change your code. Copy the code you want to use. Be sure to paste it in the right box to see immediate changes. Hit save, and voila! Your crosshair is now uniquely yours, setting the stage for better headshots. Now, it's time for some practice. Head into the shooting range to test how your new crosshair feels. Notice how your aim adjusts with different distances. A good crosshair can make all the difference. Feeling comfortable? Try it in a real match. Switch your crosshair code based on your playstyle. Remember, test various codes. Each player's preference is unique. Find what suits you best. Be bold! Switch codes mid-game to adapt. A better crosshair can elevate your entire performance. Now you've mastered crosshair codes in Valorant. Enjoy the improved precision and style.